Hey, it's Jeff Sauer here, and I just wrapped up a marathon teaching session in my home city in person in Minneapolis. Now, during the last 3 weeks, I've led courses at a university and a training institute level, and those courses covered everything from data-driven marketing to Google Analytics certification to Google Tag Manager. And I'm really proud of how these courses turned out and the participation from my students. It really was rewarding to teach so many awesome people the world of data-driven marketing and analytics and even Tag Manager. And that got me thinking, wouldn't it be awesome if I could do an online version of these courses for my Jeffalytics subscribers? So I'm going to be introducing over the next several weeks and months a way for you to sign up and to join my Google Tag Manager class as well as my data-driven marketing program. And we're going to show you exactly what's inside of these programs. I'm going to give you some more insights into what I taught at the university and at the Training Institute. And I'm going to share with you some of the aspirations that I have for these programs when we bring them online in the second quarter or the third quarter of 2018. And finally, on the webpage that accompanies this video, there's going to be a sign-up form. If you're interested in any of these courses or learning more, this is the best way to make sure that you are notified of the updates to these courses and that you'll be the first one notified and maybe even get some favorable introductory pricing when we put these courses online later this year. So watch the rest of this video for a preview of these courses and other courses we have in the pipeline, and then make sure that you go to the Jeffalytics.com website and sign up for the courses that make the most sense for you. So let's talk about the new courses we have coming out soon from the team here at Jeffalytics. And as I teased in the intro video, we have some new courses coming out, and I want to know if you're interested. So I'm going to give you a description of the courses we have coming out, and I would love it if you'd let me know what courses you're interested in seeing. The first course is a Google Tag Manager training session. Now here's something cool. I conducted a live 7-hour GTM training in my home city of Minneapolis on May 24, 2018. We went through a whole agenda. We started with no assumptions. We started at a beginner level, and then we worked our way through. We started publishing GTM containers, put up a bunch of different versions, started tracking all kinds of cool stuff, like we did event tracking in Google Analytics, we did scroll tracking, videos, we did form submissions, outbound links, button clicks, downloads, pretty much anything you can imagine with tracking GA events and other events that you want to track, we covered in this GTM session. And not only that, but we did it all with built-in features in Google Tag Manager, and I didn't touch a single line of code throughout the entire course. But it's not just about code, and it's not just about saving yourself time. It's really about the way to make sure that you do Google Tag Manager the right way. Because Google Tag Manager isn't just a replacement for your development team. It's still a technical tool, and you still need to know what's going on. But what it really does is it allows you to track things quickly and come to conclusions more quickly as well. And even during the time that we recorded the course, we were able to get immediate feedback as to whether our GTM installation was working. And we did some cool analysis on my website during a high traffic time, and you'd be surprised by the results that we saw in real time during this course. So if you want to see a progression from nothing to something of substance during a course that lasts, it's probably going to be about 4 or 5 hours once we edit it down, you are going to love this GTM course. This is my first time offering an online GTM course. The recording's already done. We just need to edit it down and make it available to you. And if you're interested, let us know. Because this class was awesome and I think you're really going to enjoy it. And the best part is you can join us with the recorded class coming in June. Now for all the courses that I'm mentioning today in this video, you can express your interest by entering your information on Jeffalytics.com. Our course number 2 is Data-Driven Marketing, and this is a certification program. For a little background, I conducted a live 30-hour data-driven marketing course, and I'm looking to make an online version. I ran the data-driven marketing course at the University of St. Thomas, and it was an amazing success. Students in the room, they learned 50+ online marketing tools. We engaged in deep discussions around data governance, what data we collect, and how to make it useful. And not only that, but how do you tell a meaningful story from the data? And our students at the end, they produced a data-driven production quality analysis, work that was so good that I'd be proud to show it to my own clients. So what are some of the pieces of analysis? They put together digital measurement models. They created monthly reports with charts and graphs and observations and implications. And they even got their hands dirty with Google Data Studio to create some cool data-driven graphs that they can use for this month, next month, and well into the future. The quality of these projects was tremendous, and really anybody who took that class is now somebody who can go to an employer or anywhere in the world and say, hey, I have this real world experience. I know how to do analysis. I know how to put together great reports. I am now a certified data-driven marketer. I was blown away by the quality of insights and presentation that the entire team put together. And we are going to be putting together a live online program to help people become certified data-driven digital marketers or analysts, and that is coming in July. So be on the lookout for that, and again, go to Jeffalytics.com and let us know if you're interested. What else do we have up our sleeves? I thought you'd never ask. Course number 3 is about using LinkedIn for lead generation. We are teaming up with a LinkedIn lead generation expert who shows us the tactics and strategies that he uses in order to get a 10-to-1 return on investment for all the money put into LinkedIn. So if you're wondering about how to get new customers, how to grow your business with LinkedIn, you are not going to want to miss our LinkedIn lead generation course. Course number 4, it's all about on-page SEO. Again, we're teaming up with another expert, an expert in on-page SEO, and we're putting together a course that is going to be the best course in the world about on-page search engine optimization. And you are going to love the insights put together by our instructor. We're working on this right now, and every time that he shows me an update with what he's doing and how he's doing it, I'm like, wow, we need to get this thing done and out there for you guys as soon as possible because my audience is going to love it. Course number 5, a budget masterclass for marketers, specifically for people who want to do paid search or if they want to invest any money in advertising. We're going to talk about who sets budgets, what motivates them, and how you can project your budgets really accurately and effectively so that you can get more budget in your paid advertising programs. Course number 6, it's all about contracts, statements of work, and templates that you can use for closing more deals with your clients and being confident with the terminology that you use in your contract or template that you bring together with prospective clients as you turn them into long-term client relationships. And of course, there's number 7 and 8, which is the 2018 edition of PPC course and analytics course. We're working hard right now to update our courses to match the new version of Google AdWords and Google Analytics, and we're looking forward to rolling that out to you towards the end of this year. And finally, coming soon, sometime in 2018 or early 2019, we are going to have a membership platform where you can join all of our courses for a low monthly price. Or you can save by buying an annual access pass to everything we produce here at Jeffalytics. So if you're excited about these courses, the best way to get all this knowledge, to get all this learning, is to sign up for our membership program. And I can't wait to unveil it to you when it's ready. So that's it, and my call to action is simple. Are you interested in learning more about our upcoming courses or being on the wait list when they come out? Fill out the form at Jeffalytics.com and you will be the first one to know when these new courses are ready for production, when they're ready for prime time, and when they're ready for you to join us. And if you'd be so bold, leave a comment on this YouTube video or on our blog post and let us know which course you're most interested in seeing.